I hope that doesn't get to their fireworks.
Go, police, go.
Police. See, that's why they're going on stuff like that.
Wow.
Where's the fuzz? Where's the popo? Where's the fire department?
Well, it's okay, I'm fine.
You see that fire over there, guys?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Jeez, that thing is ablaze. They need video evidence. I got it right here.
It's a government cover-up.
Yeah, it's just a little light on the ground. Holy crap. Maybe they should stop those big ones. Oh yeah, there's the fire department over there. Hope they got a tanker.
That's awesome. So much for letting up.
That's a really nice park too. They should really get that out fast.
That's why it's called fire.
I knew they should have done it off the... Look, there's the fire department. I knew they should have done it off the bridge. They used to do that. Do you remember that, Jordan? Jordan, you remember when they did it off the bridge? See, this is why they only want people shooting off fireworks here. The professionals.
This is why it's illegal if you have a license.
Yeah. That's why Mom and Dad won't let us get fireworks. Wowee, that thing is going. I hope that the guys shooting off the fireworks are okay.
Sees it, or hates it here. He's like, there's a fire on the bridge. I'm like, oh, well, fire on the driveway.
Oh no.
Just sent that to you.
Yeah, they're gonna burn down the bridge, guys. It's all good. No one cares. Wow, that was cool.
It's getting smaller already.
Oh wow. That fire's going down, buddy. Going down.
Right early. They got it under control.
Standing tall, looking down. Good song, guys. Good song.
On their phone.
Bam, 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 bam.
Oh, I got a bicycle right now. You have a phone? Or little kids nowadays?
That is nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can still see it. Oh yeah, you can see it a lot better. Oh yeah, that fire is going down.
That's awesome.
I hope another fire start over there, but I don't think.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, it's gone to a second video. It can record about 8 minutes per video. It gives you a 1 minute countdown, and then it stops.
Yeah.
How many do you think they're going to let off when it's the grand finale?
Oh, a lot. A lot.
I guess between 100 and 200. Try to count.
I don't think you're going to be able to count all those. Oh yeah, look at that. The fire's out already.
I'm going to try to count it.
What?
1,
Not really.
2, 3, 4,
Are you counting them?
yeah. 12, 16.
One day, I'm gonna be a pro firework launcher. Just kidding.
You can get these at the fireworks place, but
Oh yeah, I know.
they're expensive. They're hundreds.
I hope that's not the finale, guys, because that sucked.
It's not the finale.
Oh yeah, considering that we haven't had a lot of rain lately, there could definitely be a fire. You know, Florida's been in a drought for the past, like, 7 years.
Huh?
Florida's been in a drought for the past 7 years.
Really?
Yeah. Who cares about the hurricanes? We don't get a lot of rain. It was like half and half, bro. Did you see that? Quit counting.
That was crazy.
They getting higher.
I really like the ones that
Take me higher.
Your
Off the ground.
Oh, I'll tell you what I think. Your shutter speed.
Yeah.
Oh, that was that's the grand.
No, that's
Yeah,
not.
it is.
No, it's
It's
not.
coming, yeah,
It's coming, but it's not now.
right now.
They shoot like 15 off of this time. It's like, it's like a machine gun when they shoot them off for the finale.
Are you still in band?
No, I'm not in. I was never in band. I was in jazz band and orchestra.
Are you still in orchestra?
No, because I'm no longer an orc dork. Oh wow.
Getting close.
It's coming.
They pop. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
I really like the ones that blow up and they have like the ring that comes out.
Oh yeah. The kind of Saturn looking one.
Yeah, kind of like a ring around.
Atomic ball.
53.
That one's cool.
Oh, I only have a minute left of recording for this one. You might miss a few.
That's okay, we just skipped a few. 100.
Oh, geez. Wow. I wonder what the biggest firework in the world was.
Gone now.
Too much red.
I was right there. I'd be like, I'd be running. Wouldn't you be running? Fireworks coming towards you.
Bam, bam.